Tomorrow there is expert committee meeting on the decision to be taken regarding the allowing of the people to watch the football matches in the stadium. And my personal opinion is that we can allow, but maybe that they should follow the COVID appropriate behavior in terms of wearing a good mask, because they will be shouting there and turning to sing, and the chances are there that they will cough loudly, they will speak loudly. So little bit of wearing mask is important, and instead of asking for 100%, I think they should do at least for 50% to start with, see how the things work out for next 1 or 2 weeks, or maximum 75%, but 100% occupancy, I hope there is never 100% occupancy in these matches, but still there needs to be a little bit gap, because this is not just watching simple thing. It is like you will be shouting, and you will be enjoying that matches, so it will be little difficult to control your the shouting which you are doing. So that is the time when you are likely to spread. If you are one of them is positive, he is likely to spread to others. Though the numbers are minimum now, we are quite happy with the control of this. So I hope that everything will go all right with 75%.